For the first time today, we are hearing audio of Joseph Daniels just hours after he reported his child missing. Joseph Daniels is facing a murder charge after his 5-year-old son disappeared in 2018. The boy's body has never been found. In court today, an officer who responded to the missing person case says one of baby Joe's siblings said he was dead. A dramatic day of testimony in the trial that is expected to last through next week. News 2 is in the courtroom all day and will be there until a verdict is in. News 2's Stephanie Langston has more on today's developments.
Well, that audio recorded inside of a patrol car with detectives as Joseph Daniels said he would show them where he had already searched for the child. A couple of items to note in that recording. Joseph Daniels says he hasn't seen his son unlock the door before, but mentions that he likes to escape. Daniels also admits that the 5-year-old had an accident, waking him in the middle of the night. Now, during the testimony today, we heard from a handful of witnesses, one of them a detective that was in that patrol car with Joseph. She talked about baby Joe's brother telling her about that accident, corroborating part of the original confession from the father.
He told me that he didn't really know what had happened, but he did show me where he and Joe Clyde had been sleeping the night before. And he just pointed out to me what sides of the beds they were sleeping on. He pointed out to me that someone had used the toilet and not flushed it. And he thought that it was Joe Clyde, but he didn't give me a reason why he thought that. He also told me that Joe Clyde had had an accident during the night and had urinated in the floor.
Now, the judge plans to pick back up the trial in the morning, working Saturdays. Reporting from Dixon County, Stephanie Langston, News 2.
Now, our gavel-to-gavel coverage of the trial continues on WKRN.com, and that's where News 2's Josh Breslow and our legal expert, attorney Grover Collins, are bringing you a play-by-play of the trial live as it happens. Today, Josh and Grover focused on the judge allowing the jurors to ask questions, which isn't always the case.
That's going to be very interesting. You've got some kids' clothes, and, were these clothes reused by the children? Or how often were they cleaned, all those types of things. And then for the dog to take it several miles and then lose a scent because they're tired, I can't help but wonder, why didn't they just bring the dog back the next day after it had a break or something like that? So, I'm surprised the jurors didn't ask that question as well, but we'll see.
I don't know if they had I was going to say, I don't know if they had a follow-up time because that was their question that was being answered. Yeah. So in a case like that, can the jury ask a follow-up question after they've already asked a question that's been answered?
Totally up to the judge's discretion on that. Some judges don't even allow jurors to ask questions, so that's just one thing that's been kind of interesting about this case, that I really enjoy the judge's style with that. So, the jurors got to make the decision. Let's get them the information they want. So I really enjoy that.
Now, court will be in session again tomorrow morning, and you can watch the trial. That will be Monday morning, I believe. It will happen on WKRN.com. Now to our next story.